Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your dollars are suddenly worthless. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Countries representing nearly half of the world's population are actively building a system to replace the US dollar. And this time, it's not just talk. They've already launched it. All right, let's break this down. You've probably heard of BRICS, right? Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These aren't small players. We're talking about countries that together represent billions of people, massive economies, and a huge chunk of the world's resources. Now, here's where things get interesting. In October 2025, literally just a few months ago, Vladimir Putin walks into a BRICS summit holding something that caught the world's attention. It wasn't just a document. It wasn't just a symbol. It was a message. A message that BRICS might be planning something much bigger than just a cooperation, something that could challenge the global financial system itself. And the moment people noticed what he was holding, one question started spreading everywhere. Is BRICS preparing an alternative to the US dollar? It was a brand new banknote with every BRICS country's flag on it. And suddenly, everyone's confused. People are like, is this real? Is this just symbolic? Or are they actually planning something big? Because once you put something on a banknote, it's no longer just talk. It's a message to the world that system is going to change soon. And then, just 1 month later, in December 2025, BRICS dropped something even crazier. A digital currency, something similar to Bitcoin. They called it the unit. Running on blockchain, it is fully operational now, and China, Russia have even started to use it instead of dollars. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How does money even work without the dollar? Let me give you a simple example to understand how US dollar works as global currency right now. Let's say India wants to buy oil from Russia. To do that first, India converts rupees to US dollars and then send that dollars to Russia, and then Russia converts these dollars to rubles. In total, 3 steps to buy oil directly from Russia. And guess who's watching every single transaction? The US. Now, with the unit or the BRICS note, India can directly buy oil from Russia without US dollars, which provides a secrecy in the trade. But if you think this is the end of all they can do to replace dollars, then you are absolutely wrong. First, you saw the involvement of BRICS in currency and crypto world. The second one, and this is the key part, actually is the gold. That's what makes this different, and that's why the world is paying attention. The oldest form of money humans have ever trusted. There's real value behind it, something physical. Something proven over thousands of years. Gold prices has seen a massive jump over the past 10 years, which indicates that central banks are converting money into gold as assets. And this is what can be used as a commodity against dollars as well in trades. But why countries want to replace dollar as main currency? Well, there are 3 massive reasons. Number 1, control using US dollars. Think back to when Russia invaded Ukraine. The US didn't send tanks or missiles first. They froze hundreds of billions of dollars of Russian assets. Now put yourself in the shoes of another country watching this happen. You'd think, wait a second, if I make the US angry, they can basically shut down my economy within seconds. That's power, and no country likes living under someone else's control. Number 2, the fees. Every time countries trade using the US dollar, American banks take a cut in the transaction as fee. Now, imagine doing that not once, but across trillions of dollars in global trade. That small cut turns into insane amounts of money. And eventually, countries start asking, why are we paying this fee at all? Number 3, trust issues. The dollar only works because the world trusts it. But here's the problem. The US has been printing money insanely by giving stimulus checks, bailouts packages. Other countries are watching this and thinking, wait, If they keep printing more dollars, are the dollars we're holding actually worth what they used to be? That's when doubt creeps in. And once trust starts cracking, the entire system starts shaking. Cool story. But the question comes, how does this affect me as an individual? Here's what could happen. If the dollar ever loses its top spot, the US can't just print money whenever it wants anymore. The positive side will be that it could actually mean less inflation for Americans, which sounds like a good thing. But the negative impact of this will be that a weaker dollar means your savings, your salary, everything priced in dollars could buy less on the global market, meaning value of dollar decreases. Now, for people in other countries, this could be a huge boost as their currency value increases, making an overall growth. Imagine not needing to convert your money into dollars just to do business. And that's why this story isn't just about BRICS, it's about how money itself might be changing. So, can we finally say that time has come for US dollar to get replaced? Let me be real with you. The dollar isn't going to disappear overnight. It's been the king of currencies for almost 80 years, since World War II. But now cracks are showing into it, and if massive countries such as Russia, China, India, and Saudi Arabia go with full force to reduce the dependency of US dollars, then it would be very difficult for dollar to sustain the heat it will produce. Do comment on what is your thought about it.